The Jersey Shore is popular on a hot summer day. The cool ocean water has gentle rhythmic waves that are attractive to people. And here are the people, lots of them. Also at the beach we find seagulls. They are here almost all the time, enjoying the space and the sun. They prefer to be by themselves. They don't like to be near kids throwing footballs or dogs catching frisbees. In Allenhurst, New Jersey, some seagulls are not afraid of people. Here you see a seagull only a few feet from the cameraman, quietly looking him over. Please notice this seagull has 2 legs. Now here is another seagull doing the same thing. He's giving us the eye in the hope that we'll give him some food. But look carefully. This bird has only 1 leg. Look again. Only 1 leg. Is this the only seemingly healthy seagull in the world that is flying around with only 1 leg? After this momentous occasion, we never saw this bird again. Ladies and gentlemen, the one-legged seagull.